Hi guys! So today I'll teach you how to make chocolate loaf cake and chocolate sauce. Add 75 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix well. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Add 100 grams of flour, 54 grams of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Add half cup of milk. After mixing, line your baking pan with baking paper. Pour the butter into the pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's prepare the chocolate sauce. You need 100 grams of sugar, half cup of cocoa powder, a cup of milk, a tablespoon of butter, 30 grams of milk powder, and half tablespoon of corn flour. Add the cocoa powder, the milk powder, and the corn flour. Sieve to get rid of lumps. Add the sugar, stir well, then add the milk. Mix it very well, then cook on low heat until it gets hot. Add the butter to it, then whisk it until it thickens, then remove it from the heat. Pour it into a bowl and let it cool. After the cake has baked for 35 minutes, let it cool. Remove the baking paper. Pour the chocolate sauce on top of the cake, spread it well. Add some chocolate sprinkles on it. Then cut and serve and enjoy your cake. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.